What's up, guys? I want to remind you that we are giving away $2,000 until April 30th. Now, there are two ways to enter. Every $5 you spend at 53supply.com does get you one entry. However, if money's tight, if you don't want to spend any money, there is a way to get in for free. If you guys want to check out any more details, go to 53supply.com. Again, we are donating 10% of all sales as well to go to Samaritan's Purse to help people get emergency relief from COVID-19. Now, enjoy the video. What's up, guys? My name's Evan, and behind me is my JDM Toyota Supra that I just bought recently, fresh off the boat. We imported it, and it was in very bad condition. It was it was super neglected, had lots of missing parts, and I saw potential in it. And even though it's not completely finished, I was going through some pictures before and after of what was going on, and I said, this is too good of a glow up to not at least show a few months of progress. So here is me restoring and modifying my JDM Supra in 10 minutes. There he is. There it is. Straight back, coming off there, but the body is actually not bad. It's got pretty bad paint. It's got some kind of like some sort of like fiberglass skirt on it. As you can see, it's got some really sick replica wheels on it. It is wingless. It will not be wingless for very long. They actually did a terrible job of patching up the trunk. I really want a Toyota logo, dude. I need a Toyota logo. And these taillights are just not in awesome condition. Neither are the headlights. It's got a little bit of paint coming off on the rear. Terrible, disgusting steering wheel, bro. Like, at least this actually works. Who the hell? I don't do And then, dude, this thing is in really, really bad condition. I'm just gonna toss this. Look at that. Like, you can hear it cracking. Oh! This seat's not really in. Cool. I think the rear suspension may be bad because it doesn't recompress very easily. It's like sitting a little lifted. Ooh. There we go. Now we're cooking. Still got it, baby. I'm honestly pretty impressed with myself here. I've never done a wet sanding job like this. I've never done a job like this actually, ever. This guy hid a screw beneath Bondo to hold the bumper on, and he siliconed it. Replaced the windshield. Windshield is nice and clean and smooth now. New wipers and everything. Alright, looks the same. Gotta test the brake lights now.
We got him!
Yeah?
Yeah!
I love this car, dude. I'm getting a new fresh set of coilovers. Now you custom DS spec, 93 Supra. Every single one of these lug nuts mismatched. 21 mil, 19, 13, 18, 16 hybrid. These studs are rusted. I mean, they're old. Oh, God, dude. That is ooey gooey, nasty pooey. Dude, it's so pretty. So my favorite wing of all time is the TRD wing. Here it comes. Hey. There it is. Lo and behold, we have the mother of all wings. This last summer, I'm not gonna say we became the king of the eBay, but it was really fun. I wanted to be able to have some fun with the GE. I'm not a cheap person, but I do enjoy experimenting with what out there that's inexpensive actually works well. It's like the most massive thing I've ever seen. T4 96. That's a big turbo. Nice. So I've been breathing in rusty paint chips. Bring it on. I can't believe we made made this work. And actually like doesn't look too bad. No leaky leaky. I know, it's really loud. Hell yeah. That feels like an easy 300. Oh yeah, dyno yeah. It's awesome, dude.
Hell yeah.
This is the classic wheel. This wheel will never leave me, but it's really good in the Supra. That's crazy, bro. Look at this, look at this, look at this. I got a brushed finish, chrome polished lip, chrome hardware. You gotta do something simple. So this is the Okayama directional.
Is that fun to say?
Yo, these grip ain't gonna be no issue. These exhausts are amazing, incredible, and beautiful, and they make me sound cool, dude. Ready? So I'm really psyched right now. Usually boxes this big are filled with a life-size worth of peanuts. All right, boys, I gotta be real careful. You got a carbon accent. This sucker gonna be pretty sexy. You might need to close your eyes a little bit. Don't let mom and daddy see this. Oh, here we go. Whoa. Holy my Lord have mercy. That is just the sexiest thing I've ever seen. Look at that, dude. It's my favorite ass end mod for the Mark IV Supra. Hey, close your legs, dude. What the heck? Really just like, oh, it's like unreal. I like that it really accents the exhaust. Ooh, look at that. Squat and you're so small. You like it? Don't tempt me. You know how many times some Japanese dude has farted in the seat? Now you got seats cool enough to pick up a girl in. But now we have full carpet in the back, which is so nice. And then we've got the rear leather seat as well. We've got some nice leather seats in the front And then they actually match some nice leather seats in the back that are fully functional. I got a coin holder now. And it says Supra. Supra. It says Supra on it. Stuff like, it looks like it's got an actual interior. This is nice. Like, I got a rear seat. I've got carpet back here. Shoot, this thing is tough, dude. But I've got this. This nice thing is these are ready for 5-point harnesses too. So if I ever decide to do that or make this thing a drag car, I need like a half cage or something, these will be ready. But I've got seats. The Supra looks so good. All the people that doubted this car, or doubted me when I got this car, man, I felt sorry for you guys right now. Why am I doing this? Now the car still needs some paint, and again, isn't done. I have a GTE sitting right here. There's a big turbo, beautiful intake manifold and stuff like that. So we're gonna do that eventually, but I just wanted to, like, it's crazy, guys. It's crazy. So many people see things for face value. And when this thing got off the boat, when this thing got to my house, so many people looked at it and thought, ugly, bro. That can't ever look good. You can't make that look good. And a lot of people doubted me, and a lot of people doubted the car. And I just want to show you guys what happens when you use your brain, expand a little bit, have an open mind, and think outside the box. And don't see things for face value, but see things for their potential instead. And if you're new to the channel, I give you guys daily advice every time I upload. That is my daily advice for you guys today. Don't see things for face value. When you see things for face value, you block out a lot of the great, good things that you can see out of your peripherals. Use that creative brain of yours and get to work. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. I don't know what that was about, but I got 2 videos right in front of your dome, and what you should do is you should click on one of those 2 videos so you can watch them. I got some good videos, and I know you're gonna like them. So keep watching Evan Shanks channel.